control. Production. Give me a S, S, S. Give me a P, P, P. Give me a I, I. Give me a C, C, E.
Vlog.
Can we eat now? I
Yup.
can't be in the YouTube, y'all.
Y'all. Late night vlogs. Her birthday is tomorrow.
A birthday.
A birthday. Alright. Put the thing. The coconut water.
Coconut water.
Yeah, we doing Lizzo little snack or whatever. Oh my god, y'all probably like, there's a mess in here, but it's not a mess, y'all.
I'm pretty sure this is worse.
Oh, she said y'all dirty.
Yep, I said it.
Alright.
Me there. Una there.
We there.
We there.
So y'all, it's coconut water, pomegranate seeds, and ice. Okay, so I guess you mix it up.
I look pretty. I like my tattoo.
Yeah, I guess you mix it up.
You got this from TikTok?
Bitch.
You have to be.
Lizzo be eating this. Ready? Me first though, sorry.
I feel like it tastes good. I don't want to taste it. Okay. I like healthy stuff, so it's probably gonna taste good for me.
When you start chewing, but the ice is hurting my teeth. Am I supposed to swallow it? Am I supposed to swallow the seed?
No.
You think a pomegranate gonna grow in my belly?
Do you have roots and salt in your belly?
How is it? It's something you gotta get used to. One more time.
Yeah.
One more time.
I think like the oil is, oil, the ice. It's not bad. It's just like too
Cold.
healthy and cold.
Cold.
And like when you bite into the pomegranate seed, it's like it gives that flavor though. I feel like you could put more ice and less pomegranate seed and try it.
It's really cold. Alright, good evening. That's it, y'all. That's the late night vlog. Bye. Spice out. I'll be back.
Now, guys.